Boat is floating on the top of water because the water is exerted an upward force on the boat. This upward force is called force of buoyancy. Let us know about this briefly. Force of buoyancy. The force applied on the object in upward direction by a fluid is called buoyancy. This buoyant force is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the object. Now, let us conduct an activity for measuring the force of buoyancy. To conduct this activity, we need the following apparatus: overflow vessel, water, an object, spring balance, beaker, stand, and a weighing machine. Let's take the stand and put the spring balance on it. Now hang the object to this spring balance. Now let us identify the weight of this object. It has 315 grams. Now let this arrangement be aside and take the overflow vessel and fill with water. Let's put this overflow vessel on the stand. Then keep the beaker to collect water when the object is immersed in the overflow vessel. Now let us immerse the object fully in the overflow vessel. Let's identify the weight of this object. It has 275 grams. Now let us collect the water in the beaker. Let us know the weight of the water displaced by the object with the help of weighing machine. This value is 39.7 grams. It is nearly 40 grams. This is the activity. Our observations in this activity are: weight of the object before immersed in water is 315 grams. Weight of the object when it immersed in water is 275 grams. So the apparent loss of weight of the object is 315 minus 275 is equal to 40 grams. Weight of the water displaced by the object is 39.7 grams. That means it is nearly 40 grams. That means the apparent loss of weight of the immersed object is equal to the weight of water displaced by the object. The force of buoyancy on the object is as follows. The apparent loss of weight of the immersed object is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the object, that is equal to the force of buoyancy exerted by the water. This wonderful observation was made by Archimedes, an ancient Greek scientist. Archimedes' principle. When a body immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward force of buoyancy equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the immersed portion of the body.